Hey everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use Zomato Super Saver Deal. To use Zomato Super Saver Deal, you must first find and select it on Zomato app or website, often by browsing restaurant offers or searching for Super Saver option as well. Now you have to deal or what do you need is first of all open the Zomato app on your device, go to the home page, and you have to visit the website and look for the restaurant that has a super saver deal or other offers. So basically you could go ahead and browse it from the suggested or from the section as well. You could go ahead and look for any sort of items like you want to go for it, and you just need to select the restaurant that has a deal that you want. Some offers are specific to certain items, like a super saver combo. So make sure your selection qualifies. And before you place the order, you could check the deal's terms and conditions. And deals may be valid only for dine-in, home delivery, or on specific days or time as well. And the account is automatic or automatically applied to your order at checkout, and you should see the final price reflecting the saving from the deal. And you could pay for the order as usual. If the discount isn't applied correctly, you could double check the deal's terms or contact Zomato support for assistance as well. So this way you should be able to use Zomato Super Saver Deal. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.